Come to Mommy. Come see Mommy. Can you see Mommy? Connor, can you come see Mommy? Can you come over here and see Mommy? Come on. Come see Mommy. Come on. Come see Mommy.
Or Daddy.
No, come see Mommy. Not crawling to see Mommy and Daddy.
Oh.
Go, Connor!
Look at this. Oh.
You did it! You did it! You're the smartest boy in the USA. Yes, you are.
You're kind of walking. There we go. Look at that. Very good. You're almost there. Very good, Connor J. You made it. And you're still going. Can you go get your bear? Whoa. You did pretty well. Not bad at all. Can you walk over here? Come on, buddy. Look at those feet. Look at that. It's a miracle. Whoa. Well, we're not perfect yet. Connor J. Say goodbye. Goodbye.